Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I will tell you how I learn English and how improve my English. So if you want to speak fluent and native, so you have to do first strong your vocabulary. Then after you have to try to create English sentence in your own language. Then after try to convert uh, this sentence into English. So then after you have to improve your tenses, grammar, like adverb, verb, pronoun, noun. So you need to know exact definition and how to use in daily conversation. So this thing will complete your conversation style and improve your English communication. For more video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.